This is the story of Hazrat Bilal radiallahu anhu, who was a slave in Mecca but free in faith. His master, Umayyah bin Khalaf, inflicted severe torture on him, whipped him, made him wear a steel jacket under the scorching sun, and dragged him through the market. Yet, Hazrat Bilal remained patient, always remembering Allah. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu bought him and freed him. After gaining freedom, Hazrat Bilal stayed with the Prophet, participated in battles, and became his personal secretary. During the conquest of Mecca, Hazrat Bilal gave the first Adhan aloud, and later had the honor of giving the first Adhan in Medina and Jerusalem. Hazrat Bilal is a symbol of faith, patience, and sacrifice. If you enjoyed this story, please like and subscribe.